Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites: an active up-to-date account or institutional access and a stable internet connection. Open the Uptodate app now. Once it launches, look for the Sign In or Log In button on the welcome screen. Make sure you know whether you use email/password, single sign-on, or your institution link because that determines the next screens. If prompted, choose Institutional Access versus Personal Account. Once chosen, tap the correct option and proceed to enter credentials. You now enter credentials. Type your email and password carefully because mistyped characters are the most common problem. If you selected single sign-on, pick your institution from the list, then follow its authentication flow. That often redirects to a university or hospital login page. Once done, complete any multi-factor authentication, accept the push, enter the SMS code, or use the Authenticator app. Make sure to allow permissions if the app asks. This ensures saved sessions and synchronized access across devices. After authentication, wait for the app to sync your profile. You should see your name or institutional banner confirming sign-in. If access fails, first retry entering credentials and verify your network. Institutional access can time out or require VPN. Make sure your institution's subscription is active and you're using the correct login path. If errors persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupted state, and contact Uptodate support with screenshots of error messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.